Hi guys, hello. I'm back sa pagla-live. Tagal dun Ano? Nabawi ko na guys, nabawi ko na. Nabawi ko na ang aking account. Happy Valentine's Day guys. Saan kayo nag-date today? Saan kayo nakipag-date? Saan kayo nakipag-date guys? Yes, walang taping. Sa trabaho kayo na ipag-date? Guys, I'm inviting you to watch Sparkle Presents yung Mine, starring Zephanie, me, Josh Ford. Mag-stream siya tonight at 7:30 p.m. sa Facebook page ng Sparkle, TikTok page, and YouTube Shorts. So, doon siya lalabas. Kung gusto nyo kiligin, kahit konti. Nood kayo guys. Nood kayo tonight. 7:30 p.m. Miss ko rin kayo sobra. Miss ko kayo sobra. I didn't know. Spending my 20s on you. How do I fix this? There. Yun. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. It's been a while since nag-live ako. Guys, please watch, please share, please support me sa Sparkle Presents natin. Tonight yun. Facebook page of Sparkle, TikTok page, and YouTube Shorts. Ilocos Fiesta, yes. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako actually. Bitin nga yung stay namin dun Honestly. Bitin. We've gotta rescue me. Saan kayo nakipag-date ngayon? Saan kayo nakipag-date? Ha! I have a question pala, guys. May question ako. Do you guys believe na enough na yung either yung boy or yung girl lang liligawan mo? Sila lang liligawan mo or mas okay kung liligawan mo din yung parents niya? Tingin nyo. Poor activities. Na Maka is tomorrow. Bukas yung Maka. Live namin, Nino. Live namin, Nino. Sorry. Sorry. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. And lately, my TikTok videos are shadow banned. So, hopefully, share nyo, guys. Share, like, o kung ano man. Nisip kasi ng mga tao is hack pa din. Which is hindi naman na. Saan si Zeph? She's celebrating her birthday. Celebrate niya yung birthday niya. Spending my 20s on you. Tayo nga natin mag-random live. Tayo natin. Miss you guys. Saan nyo ako gusto pumunta next? Na probinsya or fiesta? Saan nyo ako susunod gusto pumunta? Para makapunta naman ako. Makabisita ako sa inyo. May fiesta ba din?
Parang nakamatch na kita.
What the hell? Baler? Antique. I think pupunta ako ng Antique. Around May yata. Hindi ko sure, ah. May or... I don't know. Not sure. And pupunta din ako ng Pangasinan. This Feb 28 sa Malasike, Catholic school. Magbabasketball tayo. Yung MMSC, Malasike Catholic School. MCS pala. Sorry. Nandun tayo. Sana natin sila Kirst Viray, sila Lance Carr. Yun, sila. Lasallian Week. Saan? Kumusta ka work si Jillian? Wala kaming eksena ni Jillian nung nag-taping ako sa My Ilonggo Girl. Wala si Jillian nun, guys. I mean, nandun siya, pero wala kaming scene. So. Yes, guys, of course, I'm inviting you to watch Maka tomorrow, 4:45 p.m. Next taping is next... I don't know if I'm allowed to say it. Sakit kasi yung ngipin ko eh. Kaya hindi ako nakasama. Arman Salon, mabait si Arman Salon, mabait si Arman. Magaling din siya umarte. Magaling siya mag-act. Nasobrahan lang, kaya nasundot niya yung mata ko. Nasundot niya dito. Pero okay lang, nagsorry naman si Arman. And mabait siya. Mabait. Nickname sa... Saan? Sa Mako or sa... San Carlos? I don't know. Hindi ko alam yan eh. Tingin nyo guys, saan okay ba if ever mag-guest, may mga mag-guest sa Maka? Wala nyo, sino kayang maganda na i-guest sa Maka? Okay. Sa MCS, nandun ako. Guys, sa MCS. Feb 28. Nandun ako. Bicol? Saan sa Bicol, guys? Saan sa Bicol? Wait. Hindi ko na alam. Punishment? Sa Maka? Hindi ko alam eh. Chill lang kasi ako eh. Chill lang. Kaya baka hindi nila ako naiisip dahil. Ngayon wala eh. Wala akong date ngayon. Mom ko lang kasama. Mom lang, mom. Di bali na lang kaya. Naga City. Saan yung Naga? Guys, saan yung Naga? Saan yun? Naga. Bicol ba yun? Bicol. Hi! Hello. Sino pipilian Nino? Ni Zeph? Well, hindi masasabi, kailangan natin mapanood kung sino ba talaga pipiliin ni Zeph. Shout out, wag mo itapon yung cellphone. Alicia, shout out. Shout out, Alicia. Shout out. Jed, hello. Di namamansin. Grabe ka na. Sino gusto mag-join? Gusto nyo mag-join ng live? Request kayo. Ayun, si Josh. Okay. Wait. Again. Go live. Go live then I'll invite you. Tama ba?
Yo. Ha?
Hindi ganito bro. I'll invite
Bro,
you.
hindi ganito eh. Do I have to go live?
Go live. Yeah, you go live.
Sige. Alrighty.
Wait, paano ba ayusin to yung ganito? Guys, paano ayusin to? Yung frame. Ayun. Ay! Ayun na nga. Kilay ko. Hindi ko na nga napapa-clean masyado eh. Lately, hindi ko siya napapalinis. Pero I used to have it clean. You know. Hello! Cute Sparkle Jimmy Artist. Hello po. Finalo ko po kayo. Kung sino may nag-handle nun. Wait. Invite ko si Josh, right? Josh. Yan.
Hi, Dino. Ayun, finally. Tama
Bro.
na to?
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's, my guy.
Everyone.
May date ka ba ngayon?
Wala eh, pero may plan ako tonight eh. I have a plan tonight.
That's good. Ako rin eh, may plan yun ako tonight.
Are we watching anything? Should they watch anything?
Oh, right now?
Should they watch anything?
Wait lang. Guys, I think you should watch something at 7:30 later.
Yes.
No, kumakain lang ako ngayon, bro. Bigla ako eh. Sabi
That's
sa
fine.
akin, and then join here.
Guys,
Ba't ganito? Were you the one who joined my live?
no, I invited you.
Or mag-collab na ba tayo ngayon?
I invited you.
Oh, you invited me.
Yeah.
Okay. Kamusta ka naman, dude?
Okay naman, bro. I'm just sad. She's not gonna be with us. Not gonna...
Yeah. Alam mo naman, busy siya sa Mount something.
Sa online selling. Then guys, we all know it's Valentine's Day, but we want to wish Zeph a happy birthday.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna sing for her? Let's sing for her.
Ay, ikaw muna. Alright.
Guys, sabay-sabay tayo kasi birthday ni Zeph ngayon. Wala man siya dito sa live. Pero deserve niyang kantahan natin siya.
Alright, guys, ready? Yeah? 3, 2, 1, go. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephanie. Happy birthday to you. Zeph, we both wish you happy birthday.
Asan ba si Zeph ngayon? Wait. Where can we find her?
She said she's in Mount Pulag.
Magpulag, right?
Yes, she's celebrating her birthday there. But again, guys, we just wanna invite you to watch our newest online series. Where can we watch it, bro?
And guys, our new online series called Mine. You can watch it on all GMA platforms. YouTube Shorts, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, makikita niyo po yan. At I hope you do like it, guys, kasi we worked hard for it and masaya yan. Titinigin kayo at siguro magagalit din kayo. You know, a mix of
Little backstory, bro. What can you say? What can you tell them about our show tonight? Kasi it's
I'd say,
there's a lot of episodes, di ba?
yeah, very different episodes.
So yun yung
Wala,
habang.
iba-iba yung character natin doon, di ba?
Mhm.
Iba-iba yung character namin doon. It's different from Maka.
From Maka.
So, iba pangalan ko doon. Ako si Oliver. At si Sean, si Nigel. And we have very different personalities compared to Maka.
Maka. We're best friends here. We're like super close friends here. Sparkle Presents. So,
Tama.
kind of interesting kung paano magbe-build yung feud namin dalawa kahit mag-best friend kami dito. So, very exciting. 7:30 p.m. guys. Please support us. Share. And also, hopefully you guys like it. And subaybayan nyo pa din yung mga susunod na episodes. Hindi lang yan tonight. Yung Kiligan, yung Valentine's Day sa amin tatlo. Hindi lang yan tonight. So,
Kain na ako bilis.
abangan nyo yan guys.
Dinner ko ngayon eh.
Early? Ulam, di pa ako makain. Di ba?
Asan ka ba ngayon? You're in, you know where, right? Okay. Ako din eh. Sa bahay lang yan.
Shout out
Yeah.
Sparkle GMA Artist and hi. Whoever's behind that screen. Hi.
Happy Valentine's.
Bro, what a little bit of backstory or like story for what's the plot of the story of Sparkle Presents Mine? Can you say anything? Just a little snippet.
A little clip. Sa mine?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, sige, I'll say what my character is like. Tapos you'll tell you, tell us what the character is. So yung character ko po din guys, si Oliver. He's a...
Don't say anything. I will give out the whole story. Alright.
I won't spoil. Pero from the cover, piling ko malalaman niyo naman yung personality ko. Sa suot ko, and yeah, baka mag-spoiler.
Yeah.
Pero mamaya na yung makikita niyo yan.
Basta punong-puno ng kilig, guys. Punong-puno ng kilig. Ano pa bang pwede kong masabi? Kulitan also. Bro, it's not just kilig, it's also kulitan. And there's a little bit of drama also, of course.
Look who's here, bro.
Who?
Si Elijah. Ano na Elijah?
Ito pala yung kapatid ko eh. Comedy, may comedy din. Karil.
Yes.
Meron din comedy. Guys, share nyo na ngayon yung post ng GMA Sparkle and post din namin ni Josh. Share nyo and syempre abangan na natin.
Mamaya na yun guys, so 7:30. What time is it now?
Of course.
Ano oras na ba ngayon? Hindi ko na makita eh.
40 more minutes. 40 more minutes, guys. Abangan nyo din yung asaya namin ni Josh doon. Sobrang walang script. No script. No script. Just talagang natural. Yung, yung lines namin doon. So,
Funny enough, that was our last scene, no?
yes. Yes.
Yeah, namin lahat. Asaran lang naman yun. But you see what episode it will be.
Kapatid mo si Elijah sa Maaka? Tingin mo? Tingin mo ba?
I mean, guys, we have to see if magkapatid nga ba sila or hindi.
And also pala, Maka episode 3 tomorrow. 4:45 p.m. on GMA, guys. We're also inviting you to watch that. Kasi matutuloy yung kilig tonight to tomorrow. So.
Yeah, bro, are you on my account or am I on your account?
No. I invited you. You're on your
I'm on my account.
Yeah.
Di nakikita mo yung mga sarili mong nagko-comment sa'yo?
You comments, yeah.
Oo. Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Josh, do you want to remind them one last time before we end? What we're having and what we're watching tonight?
So tonight we're gonna watch Mine. Galing sa Sparkle Gaming Artist Center at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Makikilala niyo po ako doon. I will be Oliver. Sean will be
Elijah. And Zeph as Z.
You're actually.
Guys, please watch it. Please support us. And if ever, share it, please. Kasi may mga susunod pa na episodes yun. So, kung kilig lang, we got you guys. See you guys.
See you and
See you, bro.
ingat ka, Sean.
Ingat, bro. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Bye, Brody.
Hi, guys. Again, solo na ako. I'll end in a bit. Sinong gusto yung maka-partner ba? Sinong gusto yung makatuluyan o piliin ba ni Zeph? Me or Josh? Eugene, Ako? Hi, Ashley. Hello. Sienna, happy Valentine's. Baby talk. Naiya ako baka may magalit. Joke lang. Guys, again, I'm inviting you to support and watch Sparkle Presents Mine on Sparkle's Facebook page, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Tonight at 7:30 p.m. There's gonna be a lot of episodes. So abangan nyo please and support us. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye. Yes guys, share nyo din. Bye-bye.